Hey guys, what's up? It's Marissa, and today, of course, you read the title, we are redecorating my room, specifically my dorm room. So I'm literally going to be in school for maybe 4 to 5 more months, so it kind of seems really crazy to put a lot of effort in it. But I thought it would be great because I've been planning on doing this from the beginning of the school year, but it just never happened. But it's okay because I was able to build up some of my decorations because, not made of money, don't really have that much money, so it was kind of good. So when I had a little money, I was able to get a little something new. Right now, I just got back from winter break yesterday, so I have bags on the floor of clean clothes, of food I just bought from the grocery store, of a whole bunch of different things that I decided not to unpack because I'm going to be moving it anyway for this video. So that stuff is on the floor, but I'm going to just rearrange everything. I think I'm just going to do section by section and kind of see how it goes from there. And since I am doing a dorm room, I can't paint or anything. It's fine. I like white. I would have did like a brighter white if I could, but since it's a dorm room, I can't nail anything to the walls. I can't repaint. And some of my furniture is legit in the wall. Like my desk can't be moved or rearranged. So we have some things we can't do and some things we can do. I pretty much have my furniture though and everything where I want it to be. I just want to revamp where they are and how they look. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you're redecorating your room, let me know what color theme you picked for your room or what you guys are thinking about putting in your room. Because, I don't know, I think that's just a fun. So what I have for years before, for one, I love pillows. I'm not having as many pillows now or as big of pillows now as I usually have, but that's okay. I feel like that's fine. But what I'm doing, instead of throwing those old pillows out, I'm actually going to take the stuffing out of them. So obviously you can see this is the original color of my room. I have a lot more pillows this shade of color, but I'm still keeping them just because they're still really nice pillows. But this one I don't mind giving away, like destroying. So this is kind of like the one where it has like 2 arms on the side and a backing. It was never really comfortable for its purpose anyway. So I'm going to take the stuffing out of this because I didn't want to buy any stuffing. And I'm going to use my Wish pillowcases. And I think that'd be it for the bed.
pretend that